20 years together and they're still stronger than ever. What's their secret? In today's video, we're uncovering the powerful habits and mindset that have kept this couple's love thriving after 2 decades. Curious how they keep the spark alive and avoid the pitfalls that break most relationships. Stick around as we reveal the timeless strategies they swear by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on more life-changing tips for lasting love. Let's dive in. Number 1. Communication builds lasting bonds. Effective communication is the cornerstone of enduring relationships. Couples who have stayed together for decades understand that open dialogue goes beyond mere talking. It's about truly listening and seeking a deeper understanding of one another. They focus on hearing each other's thoughts, feelings, and perspectives without rushing to judgment or offering immediate solutions. This creates a safe space for vulnerable conversations where both partners feel heard, respected, and valued. In these relationships, there's a shared commitment to understanding each other, making communication not just a form of exchanging information, but a means of connection. When conflicts arise, long-lasting couples resist the temptation to become defensive or dismissive. Instead, they approach disagreements with an open mind and a calm demeanor, focusing on finding common ground rather than being right. They prioritize the relationship over being self-righteous. Through active listening, asking thoughtful questions, and validating each other's emotions, they nurture a stronger connection that withstands the test of time. Even during moments of tension, they manage to maintain respect for each other's feelings, recognizing that disagreements are a natural part of any relationship and not a reason to pull away. Furthermore, couples who last make regular time for intentional check-ins. Whether it's through weekly date nights or daily conversations. This consistent effort to stay emotionally connected allows them to keep track of each other's evolving needs, desires, and dreams. Even after 20 years, they remain attuned to the small shifts in their partner's thoughts, feelings, or desires, which prevents minor misunderstandings from growing into major issues. Their commitment to communication fosters not only the resolution of conflicts but also deepens their emotional intimacy. With every conversation, they reinforce trust, empathy, and security, which creates a foundation for continued growth together. In long-lasting relationships, communication is not just a tool for solving problems, it's the means by which both partners feel valued, understood, and supported, keeping the emotional bond alive and strong through the years. Number 2. Trust strengthens every connection. Trust is the foundation of lasting relationships, serving as the invisible thread that binds 2 people together. Couples who endure for decades know that trust is not built in a day, it is cultivated through consistent, reliable actions over time. They prioritize honesty and transparency, choosing to be open with each other rather than concealing the truth, no matter how difficult the conversation may be. By honoring their word, whether it's a small promise or a commitment made during a tough moment, they establish a sense of reliability that reassures their partner and strengthens their bond. When conflicts arise, these couples do not rush to conclusions or act on assumptions. Instead, they communicate openly, seeking clarity and understanding before jumping to judgments. This thoughtful approach prevents misunderstandings from escalating, ensuring that emotions remain in check and the relationship stays emotionally secure. By addressing issues calmly and collaboratively, they nurture an environment of trust that fosters deeper emotional intimacy. Trust is also about respecting each other's boundaries. These couples understand the importance of maintaining confidentiality and offering a safe space for vulnerability. When partners share their fears, dreams, or personal challenges, they know that their private conversations will remain just that, private. This mutual respect strengthens their emotional connection, building a deep sense of security. Even after 20 years, couples who have built lasting relationships continue to nurture trust. They actively work to uphold their partner's faith in them by remaining dependable and consistent. They avoid actions that could sow doubt or suspicion, recognizing that one misstep can unravel years of trust. Rather than taking their partner for granted, they make small yet meaningful gestures to reassure each other, from checking in during the day to providing emotional support during tough times. In enduring relationships, trust is not just a feeling, it's a conscious choice. It's about being open, honest, and reliable, creating a safe and secure environment where both partners feel valued, appreciated, and loved. Number 3. Respect nurtures deep affection. Respect is the bedrock of enduring love, and long-term couples know that genuine respect extends far beyond simple politeness. It involves honoring each other's individuality, embracing strengths and imperfections without judgment. They understand that their partner is a separate person with unique thoughts, feelings, and experiences, and they never attempt to mold them into someone they're not. Instead of belittling or criticizing, they focus on uplifting one another, reinforcing a sense of security and acceptance. When disagreements arise, they handle conflicts with maturity, prioritizing solutions over assigning blame. They approach difficult conversations with patience, listening to each other's perspectives without interruption or defensiveness. This calm and respectful communication prevents misunderstandings from escalating into resentment, allowing them to resolve issues without damaging their connection. Respect also manifests in how they value each other's time and commitments. Whether it's supporting their partner's career aspirations, hobbies, or personal goals, they encourage one another's growth without feeling threatened. They celebrate each other's achievements, big or small, fostering a sense of partnership that strengthens their bond. This mutual support creates an environment where both partners feel valued and appreciated, knowing their efforts are seen and acknowledged. Even after 20 years together, they maintain the practice of expressing gratitude. They don't take each other for granted. Instead, they consistently acknowledge the little things their partner does, from preparing a meal to offering emotional support during tough times. This simple act of appreciation reinforces positive behavior, preventing the erosion of affection that can occur over time. It also keeps the spark alive, reminding them of the reasons they fell in love in the first place. Ultimately, respect is more than just a principle, it's a daily practice. It's about choosing kindness over criticism, understanding over judgment, and encouragement over indifference. By consistently showing respect, they nurture a deeper affection that withstands the tests of time, creating a relationship that remains strong, loving, and unbreakable. Number 4, patience sustains lasting love. Patience is essential in relationships that last a lifetime. Couples who endure together through both the joyous and challenging moments understand that conflicts and setbacks are a natural part of life. Rather than reacting impulsively in moments of frustration, they practice patience by taking a step back to cool off before addressing sensitive issues. This allows them to approach disagreements with a clearer perspective, ensuring they respond thoughtfully rather than out of anger or hurt. In doing so, they prevent the escalation of conflict and maintain a sense of peace during difficult times. They also understand that personal growth is a gradual process. Each partner may have flaws or areas for improvement, but they resist the urge to impose unrealistic expectations on one another. Instead of trying to change their partner overnight, they foster a supportive environment that encourages individual growth at a healthy pace. This approach allows each person to evolve in their own time, without feeling pressured or judged. When life presents challenges, whether in the form of health issues, financial struggles, or family difficulties, they remain calm and supportive. Patience becomes a pillar they lean on, reminding them that no matter the obstacle, they can face it together. During tough times, they choose to work through problems as a team, providing each other with the emotional support needed to navigate adversity. Rather than allowing frustration or resentment to drive them apart, they rely on their shared commitment to patience to keep them united. This practice of patience not only helps them weather life's ups and downs, but it also strengthens their emotional connection. As they learn to handle challenges together with grace and understanding, their bond deepens, creating a relationship that grows stronger with each passing year. Patience, therefore, is not just a tool for resolving conflicts, it's a foundation that sustains lasting love, allowing it to endure through all of life's seasons. Number 5. Gratitude fuels lasting joy. Gratitude is a vital force that sustains love and joy in long-term relationships. Couples who remain happy and connected after 20 years together actively practice gratitude, recognizing the importance of appreciating even the smallest gestures. They take time to acknowledge their partner's efforts, whether it's something as simple as cooking a meal or offering emotional support during tough times. This regular expression of gratitude boosts each other's self-esteem, reminding both partners that they are valued and their contributions are meaningful. This cycle of appreciation reinforces positive behaviors, creating an environment where both partners feel encouraged to continue investing in the relationship. When one partner expresses thanks, it motivates the other to keep giving and contributing to the shared life they've built. Gratitude strengthens the emotional bond between them, making each partner feel cherished and understood. This positive reinforcement fosters a deeper connection, helping to maintain harmony even when life presents challenges. Even during difficult times, couples who last recognize the importance of focusing on their blessings. They consciously remind themselves of the good in their relationship, whether it's the unwavering support, shared memories, or simple moments of happiness. By reframing difficult situations through the lens of gratitude, they keep the spark alive. Instead of dwelling on setbacks or disappointments, they choose to focus on the positives, which helps them stay connected and optimistic about the future. Gratitude also prevents complacency. In long-term relationships, it's easy for partners to take each other for granted, but couples who regularly express thanks never stop appreciating each other. This consistent practice ensures that both partners feel seen, respected, and valued year after year. Gratitude, therefore, becomes a tool that not only fuels joy but also strengthens the foundation of a lasting, fulfilling relationship, allowing love to continue flourishing throughout the years. Conclusion: after 20 years together, strong couples understand that the secret to enduring love lies in communication, trust, respect, patience, and gratitude. These elements work together to build a foundation that not only survives the test of time, but thrives through the ups and downs. With unwavering commitment to each other, they create a bond that strengthens with age, keeping the relationship fresh, exciting, and deeply connected. If you enjoyed these secrets to lasting love, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below with your relationship tips, and stay tuned for more insights on building strong, lasting connections.